My people, yes, another gbege day. Woman don't come outside, come talk say, make Buhari, make Buhari leave seat until they test am. Yes, according to her, she say the man, you understand, you don't they touch. Some cables don't lose, so they need carry and go doctor. Make they test her before you go come back, come this seat, because she know they sure say na the real Buhari be that. But my sister, I no need tell you this thing again, because as many people know, this man don't go since. He don't go. Yes, when I went on her name na Obi Ezekwesili. This your name too, my sister, no be here. Yes, now she bring this matter and she don't start the online campaign, so you feel join too if you didn't interested, because me I don't join. And according to her, make her read and the way she talking about herself, she say the country's condition now it don't worse, and as Nigerians they no fit sit down cross hand say they watch make Buhari continue to destroy Nigeria. So now she don't come out want to say make they test President Buhari. You agree with that one, abi you no agree? Me I agree 100%. Yes, because and now we no fit even trust state house doctor. You know say him get a personal doctor. We no fit trust am because those people they go tell you say he's capable, he's okay. Na lie, nothing dey okay there. And if una ask me, I get another suggestion too. Abeg make we include Lai Mohammed. Yes, because that man, no be small thing, no, misinformed minister of information. We need test am, because in head, this man go just come outside dey talk. The way they talk alone, you don't even need ask. You just, even if you know they watch am, just the voice, you go know say something dey wrong. We need dey sure say no be alliance dey rule Nigeria, say na correct human beings. You understand? But first, before una carry and go doctor, because me I have my own test, I want test here now, so we go know whether, you understand, na true president. Abeg me put this man picture first. Oga president, I want start. You understand? Abeg, 1 + 1 na wetin? Una see am? 1 + 1 na wetin? Ha! You no even fit answer. Okay. No, make we forgive am another chance. You understand? Abeg, say doctor. I did not say dokita. I did not say listen. Oga president, listen. Abi dey put something for ear. Doctor. Down. Hey, this one na Kumasi pastor. Le kwanumo, nothing wey we no go see for this world o. Kumasi pastor wey dey waka around naked. Ijigidi. According to Ram, he say the reason why they waka naked, say he get inspiration from Bible. I wonder which Bible this man go see. He say na Job 12:1 and Ecclesiastes 5:15. Say naked I came, naked will I return. He say na that thing dey work for your head. Now why they waka around naked? Abeg, my people, before I go further, make you not say Madam Aproko talk. Make una see am with una eye. Open una eye where. Make we watch the video.
Man, on the next man, naked. Naked I came, naked I'm going.
Okay.
Naked I came, naked I'm going.
20. Yes.
I say Isaiah 20.
Verse 2 to 4.
Hey, see cucumber where they easy. Free cucumber everywhere. Now he say they preach. No, my people. This one pass it heavy for my mouth to talk. Now why I bring and make una see am. And you know say Ghanaians no dey joke with church. Hey, una see they learn work. Any other country, Ghana, you need to see them on Sunday if they go church. They know they joke anything church, anything. But na them, look for bad things. Na them, na there you go see am. I remember one woman where for one compound where they stay before, she seen a landlady. If this woman speak in tongues for you, you go think say na you be sinner pass for this world. But come see wickedness. Sometimes I go just dey sit down dey wonder say, now this same woman where I dey hear last night wey dey rokobo, now she don lock tap. No, na people e funny, but e dey very serious. Na dem sabi do bad thing pass. And these people now, they believe say na dem get power pass. So Ghana get power. If you see where their pastors dey minister, shame go even catch you. I dey tell you. And now, according to them, na miracles wey they do. You understand? Na miracles wey they do. And again one, Pastor Obini, I dey sure say many of una don hear in matter or in picture. For una wey no know, I better put in picture make they see am. This man wey una dey see like this, if he dey perform miracle, he even open mouth by himself, don't say, in dey turn to snake. Which kind of miracle be that, my people? Abeg for una wey una never watch am, hear am, come see the video first, watch am.
Because spiritual. Now, obi was sit down for me, Papa Jesus. Say me cause spiritual. Say me sincere. To say the before to them. Ne Jesus was in change say. Na me to me Ghana, na Ghana am say handkerchief we. Also for me tia me timi dani aboa. Me ti ma dani wo wa be kawo.
My people, I don't even know who we go believe again, who we go see again. Because from my own observation, Ghana get direct connection with God. Now only Ghana get that. Now I don't dey think since. So now I don't come to my own conclusion. Say we suppose go Nigeria, go bring Bobrisky. You understand? Because now Ghana get power. So make we bring Bobrisky come Ghana so that they go comot that spirit of homosexuality. Now we don't even know whether she be man or she be woman. So we need clarify that. So we need bring her. Because if like say Nigeria process slow, she don't do Nigeria since nothing happen. My people, she even they become worse. The last time we hear say she carry belle, I don't understand. So now Ghana get the main cocoa. You understand? So we suppose bring her. I mean, my people, what do you not think? That my own conclusion be that oh. Alright, my people, yes, now 101 TV we day like this, and this now where we they bring you the hottest gist in town. Una suppose know by now. I don't even need to talk this thing plenty time. So if you never subscribe, what do you wait for? Click on that thing, man. And if you never click on that notification button, now you say you go to miss all our interesting gist. You understand? Comment. I still want to know what you know they think for all this matter where I bring you now. Don't go far. I will see you later.